Are you struggling with your bad leading and you don't know how to improve? Don't go, I will give you 5 tips to improve it. Welcome to one more episode of Cocktails and Tips. My name is Philippe.Rita, I'm Urban Kiz teacher, and today I will give you 5 tips to improve your leading. First tip, know your body. Get to know how your body reacts to an action so you'll be able to control every single movement you are doing. So work on balance, work on fluidity of movement, and of course work on your axis. Second tip, go to different regular classes. Learning from different styles and teachers can give you a large diversity of movement. So once you have different resources, you can apply whatever technique that suits best your partner. Third tip, practice alone. When you are recreating the steps alone, you are stimulating muscular memory, so your body will react faster on the dance floor. Also, you'll be more confident with the step that you already know, rather than a step that you are trying for the very first time. Fourth tip, go to social. Try different partners, dance on different songs, and you'll see your leading technique improving exponentially. Fifth tip, know the basics. Did you know that the majority of the professional dancers work on their basic steps to consolidate their dance? Looks easy, right? But try to apply different dynamics on basic steps. You'll see if you are able to do it perfectly or not. Did you like these tips? If you think these tips are useful, tag someone that needs to improve their leading. Stay connected and hope to see you on the next videos.
Toma lá cocktail.